Hey guys, it's Amanda, and I am headed to New York today, and I am from Washington State, so it's going to be kind of a trek all the way across country. I'm going to help my dear friend Joanne, help her with her Walmart store, and I just want to take you on this journey with me, so let's get going. Hi, can I please get a tall brown sugar shaken espresso?
Of course, a tall brown sugar shaken. Anything else for you today?
No, that's it.
Awesome. Please let me know.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. All right, we're on the road. I had to get Starbucks. I am totally a Starbucks girl. I love Starbucks. I wish they had like Dunkin' Donuts around here, but we don't. So I am so excited to be going to New York today. I've gone one time and we're going to upstate New York. So it's not like New York City or anything, but I'm really excited just to get out of town. First leg of the day is a 2.5 hour drive to the airport. I live in central Washington and there's really no airport in my area. So I have to drive 2.5 hours to get to Seattle. So I'm excited. I love this drive because it's very pretty. It's a drive I've done so many times. So it doesn't bother me anymore. So I love it and I'm excited to just get there. But follow me on this journey and let's get to the airport. Well, I made it to the airport and now it's time to get checked in and maybe go find some food and get to my gate. Alright, I made it to Philadelphia, but unfortunately my next flight to New York has been canceled. And so instead of getting there at like 10 o'clock tonight, I'm gonna get there at 11 o'clock tomorrow night, which is absolutely crazy. I'm not waiting like 24 hours for a 1 hour flight. So it is only a 4 hour drive. So I'm gonna go rent a car now and do a 4 hour drive because that seems way better of an option than to wait 24 hours for a hotel. So let's go see if we can find the rental place. All right, I got here finally to the budget. It is now 9:30, 9:40. So today I am driving a lovely minivan. I'm so excited. It's just so random to have a minivan. That was their mystery car for the day. So I'm gonna get on the road and should arrive to New York at around 2:30 a.m. So stay tuned. Well, I finally made it to New York and I have had the longest day. I start off my day with a 2.5 hour drive, then a 4.5 hour flight, then a 3.5 hour drive. So it's definitely been a super long day, but I'm so excited for this week to come and what all the fun stuff we're gonna do and with her Walmart store and everything. So I'm just really excited to be here. And so stay tuned for day 2 and I will see you guys tomorrow.